In this video, we're going to look at the volume of a cuboid. So the volume of a cuboid is the space that is inside that cuboid. Okay, so this cuboid is made up from centimeter cubes. So I've got 1 centimeter cube here. What are its dimensions? So its dimensions are the lengths of its sides. So here I have a 4, here I have a 2, and here I have a 3. So I could call it a 4 by 2 by 3, or I could call it a 3 by 4, or any of those, a 3 by 4 by 2. They're all the same thing, and I'll just put that in. Now, by, I suppose you could look at that as being multiply by. So when I want to find its volume, I can multiply any of its 3 dimensions together. So if I did 4 multiply by 2 multiply by 3, 8 3s is 24 centimeters cubed, or 3 by 2 by 4, 6 times 4 is also 24 centimeters cubed, or 3 by 4 by 2, 12 times 2 is also 24 centimeters cubed. So to find its volume, you multiply its 3 dimensions together. Now, often that is just length times width times height. It doesn't really matter which one is length, which is a width, or which is height, because they can be turned in any way. Okay, so find the volume of the following cuboids. I have 3 dimensions, so it's going to be length times width times height is 5 times 2 times 4. But remember, in any direction that will work. 10 times 4 is 40. Look at your units. Centimeters cubed. Find the missing sides. Okay, so I've got the volume and I've got a missing side. But take the 2 sides that you know. So it's going to be 7 times 3 times something is equal to 105. Well, answer that. So 21 times something is 105. Well, that something must be 105 divided by 21. Do that in my head. Gives me 5. So the missing side must be 5 centimeters. Find the volume on this. Now here I have the nest of a cuboid, but I can still read its 3 dimensions. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4. There's one side that's got 4. There's one side that's got 1. And there's a side that's got 3. So every other line, doesn't matter where it is, every other line is going to be a 4, a 3, or a 1. So it's going to be 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 1. 12 centimeters cubed. Okay, so how many of the green boxes fit into the grey boxes? Okay. I'm going to get this green box, looks more like yellow, get this box into the grey box. How many of them fit in? Now, there are 2 methods. The first method I'm going to look at is the one that most people will do, and it's going to be break them up into A and B. Get the volume of A. So the volume of A is 5 times 2 times 4, which is 10 times 4, 40 centimeters cubed. The volume of B is 30 times 6 times 8. Okay, and the answer of how many of these fit into this We'll do one. So 36 exactly. So I get 36 in there. That's one method. Here's another. Imagine how many of these fives go into 30. I will get 6 of these. 30 divided by 5 gives me 6. I will get 6 of these along there. 2 into 6 goes 3 times, and 4 into 8 goes twice. So if I take these 3 numbers and get the volume of them, 18 times 2 is 36, and I have my answer straight away. So I can see that both answers would give me 36, and it's 2 separate methods to do that. Okay, here's some questions for you to have a go at. Press pause. The answers will follow in one moment. This question is what? And question 2.